Everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen of death on your iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's get started. Very first time is make sure that your phone is charged. The reason why I say that is sometimes your cable or the wall adapter may actually not be working correctly, and you may think that your phone is charging. It may just be completely dead. You want to make sure it is charging. Try a different charger if you can. Make sure the charge port is clean. There's no dust, lint, or dirt built up over time. That can happen. Also, if you have a wireless charger, you can also do wireless charging as well by laying it, because the iPhone 11 does support wireless charging. It's an additional option that you want to consider, and make sure you're charging at least half hour or so, and for sure you know it is charged. Now, once it's been charged, you're going to follow these troubleshooting steps. You're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button until you can get something on the screen like the Apple logo up here. So I'm going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, then I hold down this side button until I can get something on the screen here. So let's wait and see. And once you see the Apple logo, you're in business and it should be fixed. Now, if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying it. Sometimes it takes many tries before this does work. As long as the phone is charged, as I mentioned, using a different charger, wireless charger, or even cleaning out the charge port, or even a case or anything that could be blocking the charging, and you know that it is charged, go ahead and try it. This method is safe. It will not delete any of your data. All I did was quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I was holding down the side button until I can get the Apple logo to appear. Go ahead and try it, and I hope this video will help you fix it. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.